I love you this big, so much bigger than I ever did before. I swear I will give all the rest of my life to baby.
You're the very best thing that ever happened in my life. And I wish that you were only on my side, because when I woke up I looked up and thanked the gods, cause I will never leave you even it's against all odds. I know it sounds crazy but boo, you know it's true, cause I know it feels so right, so tight like I'm with you. And I feel so refreshed like I'm on drinking Pepsi Blue. And if you don't listen to this, baby, it's up to you. Now please give me a chance to prove my love to you, cause I'm ready to put some efforts and letters to you. So before I end the shit straight up, I am your man, cause I'm ready to arrange it, put you and I together now.
I love you this big, so much bigger than I ever did before. I swear I will give all the rest of my life, so baby,
ang pag-ibig kong ito'y inilaan sa kantang to. Alam mo ba ang puso ko sa iyo'y nagsusumamo? You know what I feel when every time I'm all alone, I do remember all the good things, so babe, please come back home. All the memories that we have to still remain on my chest. It's hard for me to erase, so baby, come here, I'll stay. And I will promise you that I will never treat you again. The pain I feel is too much, so please forgive what I've done. Itatago sa puso ko, ikaw mananatili. Kahit alam ko sa iyo, ako'y di mapipili. Susugal ako kahit alam ko na mahirap para sa iyo. Mahal ako'y magsusumikap.
I love you this big, so much bigger than I ever did before. I swear I will give all the rest of my life, so baby, please stay.
This song is dedicated to the one I love, and you know that every time I pray for you to be loved. Be the one who take good care, for the one who do better than I ever did before. Cause you know my baby girl, I don't wanna see you crying. And every time I feel so bad for you, it's like I'm dying. This happened all before, and I know you're sad, and I'm hating on myself, and I think I'm bad, cause I let you go, baby, with me. And you don't, you see, the right love that you want, that you feel with me. I feel sorry for you, that's why I'm so regret. Still recuperating, healing and recovering, I guess.
I love you this big, so much bigger than I ever did before. I swear I will give all the rest of my life, so baby,